This punch will knock your socks off in the best way. It is a little bit tangy and sweet and has some Sprite in it, so it's a little bit carbonated. It is the perfect punch recipe for a holiday party or just a movie night in. So follow along and I will show you step by step how to make Grinch Punch Recipe. Welcome back. I'm Jill with thecarefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a really fun and festive Grinch Punch recipe. And this is one of our all-time favorite recipes for the month of December and around the holidays. We love watching the Grinch movie and making Grinch treats, and I also have a few more on my website too. So the first thing I'm going to do on this recipe is make the strawberries. The first thing I like to do is work on a little bit of garnishment. Now this is totally optional, but it is a really fun way to give it that like little oomph of Grinchmas that we all love. So I like to make these little strawberries, and you can just rinse them and pat them dry. And then I like to take the top off and then also cut it a little bit into a heart shape. And what I'm going to do is wash them, dry them, and then make them into a heart shape. And then I'm going to put a straw down the middle so that it's two hearts on the straw. Now you can also, if you can, find some gummy heart candy. That's perfect for this too. The strawberries are kind of a fun twist. So whatever you do, it is really fun to add this like little bit of red into your Grinch recipe. So here are my little strawberry garnishes. Okay, so to get started, I like to add some lemonade, and I just bought a jug of pre-made lemonade, but you could definitely use concentrate lemonade here too. I am also going to add 2 packets of Lemon Lime Kool Aid mix. When you add a little bit of like extra Kool Aid, that will give it like a little bit more flavor and punch to it. It doesn't really need more sweetness with the sherbet in there, so 2 packages of Kool Aid will be great. And then the next thing I'm going to do is add my sherbet. And I like to use like a gelato or sherbet here, and you can usually find it in the cartons. I actually did a grocery delivery this time, and they substituted it for these little containers. So you could use lemon, lime, or even pineapple would work great in this recipe. So anything that's light colored, a green or a yellow sherbet works great here. And then after that, I'm going to add some Sprite, and you can add Sprite, Squirt, or even Fresca here if you want to do a 0 sugar option. That works great too. After that, we're going to add some ice and some lemon slices. And I like to have just like that little bit of green contrast here too. And then to top it off, I'm going to add about 1 cup of fresh cranberries. And I like to add this to the top so it kind of sits on top of the ice so that my drink dispenser down below will work just fine. So give that a little stir and your Grinch Punch is ready to go. This super simple, just a few ingredient Grinch Punch is perfect for the holidays. Here it is, all ready to go, ready to be served. I like to mix this right before my guests get there. It is such a fun and easy recipe, perfect for a Grinch movie night or just a holiday weekend at home. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Carefree Kitchen. I hope you loved this really simple, easy to make Grinch Punch recipe, and I hope your family loves it as much as we do. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I will show you all kinds of fun and easy recipes that your family will love. And happy holidays from my kitchen to yours.